Lost in China and don't know how to ask for directions? Don't worry, I got you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is another super practical Chinese lesson. Asking for directions. You will learn how to ask where places are and understand simple directions. Let's go. First today, we will start with some vocabularies. 左边 left, 右边 right. Repeat after me. 左边右边前面 front 后面 back Repeat after me 前面后面直走 Go straight 转弯 Turn Repeat after me直走转弯近 near 远 far Repeat after me 近远 Now the most essential sentence today is 请问在哪里 Let's check some examples. 请问卫生间在哪里 Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Repeat after me. 请问卫生间在哪里请问地铁站在哪里 Excuse me, where is the subway station? Repeat after me. 请问地铁站在哪里 Well, in the video before, we also learned that we can always put 不好意思 in the front of the sentence. So you can also say 不好意思请问卫生间在哪里 I will write more common places you may want to go in the description below. Now, besides asking where is it, you can also ask about the rough distance, so you know if you can walk there. 远吗 Is it far? Or 近吗 Is it near? Repeat after me. 远吗近吗 Now here are the answers you probably will get. 直走 Go straight 直走向左转 Turn left 向右转 Turn right 向左转向右转在左边 It's on the left 在右边 It's on the right Repeat after me 在左边在右边 Now let's do a dialogue practice. You are going to ask me the directions and I will answer, okay? 直走，然后向左转，在你的右边。不远，很近。前面这个路口右转，然后直走，在你的左边。不近，你可以打车去。Good job! A small question for you. Based on my answer, bathroom and the subway, which one is close and which one you cannot reach on foot? Well, that's basically all for today's lesson. It's not so hard, right? What place do you often need to find when you travel abroad? Try to make a sentence and I will help you correct if you make a mistake. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe. And in the next video, we will learn how to talk about your hobby. See you in the next video. Bye bye.